Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we're trying on the Alo Yoga A-List onesie. This is in the Airlift material, which is one of Alo's signature materials, and it's kind of like an iridescent, silky, but almost metallic-y looking material. It is very, very lightweight and very kind of cooling, so I'm really excited to try this on. Now, I first saw the burgundy and I absolutely fell in love with it, but I didn't know what size I wanted to pick up, so I picked up the size S in the burgundy and the size XS in the black, just to make sure that I got my size right. Now, a little disclaimer, the size S was the one, so the XS was very challenging to even get on. Because this is a onesie, it's going to fit a little differently than if it was just leggings and a bra, right? Like most people's bodies are not going to be the exact same size on top and bottom, so it's a little challenging to get the size right with this. I definitely do recommend maybe going in store or buying a few sizes and returning the one that doesn't work for you. Now, the features on this jumpsuit are my absolute favorite. The back has a low back, kind of like a scoop back, which is something I always look for in even just the silhouette of any top lately. I just think it's really flattering. And the bottom waistband has kind of this V shape. So that is going to emphasize your peach in a really nice way. It's going to kind of be lifting opposed to when there is a line that kind of just cuts right across. That's going to be a little bit more flattening or like lowering. Now the front is really cute. It's kind of like this triangle bra on the first part of the front that has honestly like a swimsuit type of vibe with the little silver embellishment right in the middle. And then you have another little piece of design, which is a waist covering. So I think this is interesting because it's not, just a bra and the leggings. There is a third piece in there to give you a little bit more design and a little bit more coverage. Of course, as always, you have the Alo hit where it should be. And just one more thought on these, that when Alo does a flare legging, it usually is a little hard to manage or hard to wear, meaning when you're walking around, it's gonna flop or it's a little long, too long for comfort. But with this onesie, I didn't feel that. I felt like it was the perfect length for me. I am about 5'5", and it not only felt flattering, but it felt good. Like I felt good in this. Now, if I could change anything about this, I would change the seams in the back. I felt like the U shape gives a really nice silhouette, but then there's two lines. So there's a waistline and a peach line. And I just could have done without one of them. Those are my thoughts, but let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.